Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, what I have for you is how to prepare tilapia fish pepper soup. Oh yes, the tilapia fish pepper soup you are seeing tasted so delicious. Adding yam to it was another amazing vibe. I'm sure you clicked the video to know how I came up with this deliciousness on the thumbnail. Yeah, let's dive right into the video. The ingredients we have for the tilapia fish pepper soup are Prekese, Ehuru, Uziza Seed, Oda. For the Oda seed, I'll be removing the seed later because it's a bit bitter. Do you see the four spices mentioned or combined are a perfect match of a delicious pepper soup? Yeah. Here I've got chili powder and Cameroon pepper. Shrimp seasoning, of course you can use any brand of your choice. Salt, crayfish, tilapia fish, scent leaf. You can as well use Uziza leaf, basil, or even Utazi. They are all perfect match for a delicious pepper soup. And lastly, in the blender, I've got real bell pepper, onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. You can decide to add tomatoes, that's up to you, okay? Yes, first thing first, let's prep the ingredients of the camera to save time. Please do bear with me, okay? For the spices, I'll be removing the Oda seed. Yeah, it is a bit bitter and I don't want my soup to be bitter, so I'll do that off the camera to save you guys time. Alright, let's do that. Here our ingredients are prepped. Let's set it aside and get into cooking. Here I will carefully transfer the washed tilapia fish in the pot. Once that is done, I will add the shrimp seasoning, salt, chili powder, Cameroon pepper. Please don't overdo pepper because it is called pepper soup. Crayfish blended with the pepper soup spices. Remember I said I removed the other seed because it is a bit bitter to my liking. Next is to add the pepper mix, Prekese, and hot water. And I'll be explaining why I added the hot water. I will carefully add the preserved yam. I have a video on my channel on how I preserve my yam. Please do check it out in the description box below. And that is the reason why I added the hot water, so that the preserved yam and the fish will start cooking immediately. Fish pepper soup is one meal that does not take time at all to cook. For that reason, everything are being added at the same time so that they will penetrate properly in the fish. I've stirred everything already while trying to clarify you guys, okay? I will cover to cook, and that's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. While the pepper soup is cooking, let's prep the only ingredient remaining, which is our scent leaf. Why I did not prep it earlier with other ingredients is because it easily changes color. Yeah, this is 15 minutes later. The tilapia fish pepper soup is ready and cooked, as well as the yam. My kitchen is really smelling great right now. Let's check and balance the taste. You guys, I like this part so much, and you know it. The pepper soup tasted so delicious. Oh yes. At this point, I will add the scent leaf and a little Scotch bonnet pepper just for garnishing. Stir carefully so that the fish will not scatter. I don't like it scattering, okay? Allow for more 3 minutes, and at this junction, beautiful family, our tilapia fish pepper soup is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do enjoy the video, please like the video, share the video, subscribe with your bell on to receive other amazing videos from us. Don't forget to drop your comment as well, because that is very important. Try this tilapia fish pepper soup at home and give us your feedback on all our social media handles like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and all the rest of them. And my name is same in all social media. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.